Welcome to a new video from the Parts channel. Well, I'm going to make a short video but that I find very interesting, answering several similar questions about how to clean a common rail pressure sensor, or rail. Well, it is important that once disassembled, I have one in my hand, you check how the connector is, that there is no dirt, and if you see that it is clean, because there is no dirt, then you would not need to clean it, in that if you would clean the internal part. Now I am going to show you. To clean it is important to use a cleaner that does not leave residue. Electrical contact cleaner. There are some electrical contact cleaners that are useless because they leave residue, and that part remains oily, a protective film that they put on it. In this case that is not recommended, because the electrical contacts can fail when you connect with the wiring. In this case, here it is clean, so there is no need to clean it here. Look. This is the most important thing, where you see that hole, there, sometimes, dirt accumulated from the fuel itself. Sometimes we have even found metal shavings in there. It is important, as I say, to clean it. To look, here we use a cleaner of MAF sensors, which is this cleaner. Now I have just used it and it is a little hard. But hey, there you have to point it directly at the hole, in there, and it would be clean. If you see that yours has more dirt, you can pour a little more, but hey, this would be enough to clean it, and many of the errors caused by this sensor are solved like this, by cleaning it. You can look on this channel and you will see that there are some videos that I have published that cleaning the sensor, the engine problem has been solved, and you save a lot of money. You don't always have to change the parts. Try cleaning it first, and if you clean it and see that the error continues, it means that the sensor is bad. But it could be due to a fault in the connector or wiring, etc. But if you solve it by cleaning it, you will save yourself from buying a sensor. Which in addition, these sensors are not cheap at all, but this applies both to this sensor, even to the MAP sensor, to the sensor MAP, for the IAT, etc. etc. Well, here you have this short video. If it has been useful to you, then don't forget to give a like and subscribe to the channel.